In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on airplane mode on your Android device. So you need to navigate settings for your device. Mostly you will find gear icon on your home page. So click on this gear icon for settings. So here you will see airplane icon. So if you want to turn on airplane mode, so select it to on position. So now airplane mode is turned on, and also you will see airplane icon on top as we can see here. And if you want to turn off, so select to off position, select it to left side, and make sure when you turn airplane mode on you can't use your Wi-Fi or internet data. So that's it friends. By this quick method we can know how to turn on and turn off airplane mode on Android device. Thanks for watching.